Hi, hello. Welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today we came with a new device, IoT bus tracking system and security system. So this device is about tracking the college bus or any bus, and we can track the live using our Android application, and also it will protect the bus from drunken drive cases, and also it will check the temperature of the passengers about using infrared temperature sensor, and also it will protect the smoke detection and alerts whenever the smoke is detected through buzzer and as well as the through message and also through the Android application. So now we will go through all the hardware segments what are there in the device, and we will open the device and we will go through all of them. So here this is the Arduino Mega microcontroller, and this is GSM SIM 900A inserted SIM card, and this is the Node MCU or ESP8266, and this is Neo 6M GPS and its antenna, and also this is the LCD display with I2C, and this is the power supply module, buck converter, and these two are smoke detection and alcohol detection sensors, and this is the MLX sensor. We can watch them from the front side. So these are sensor. This is this orange one is a alcohol detection sensor, and this is a smoke sensor, and this one is a infrared MLX temperature sensor, and this is a buzzer for alerts. Okay, so this is all about hardware of the device, and now we will go to the working of the device, how it is going to work. So now for checking working, we have to give inputs like alcohol and also smoke and also some body temperature inputs. Okay, so okay, now we will go to the working of the device. So in this device we are going to interface Arduino and ESP8266 as well as GSM board. So ESP8266 sends the data to Firebase database, and from the database we will get retrieve the data to application. So now I will show the database how it look like. So this is the database path, and it is updating all call longitude, latitude and smoke, and as well as temperature and all the sensor data. So this is all about database, and now we will see the application. Okay, and this is the application. So it is sending sensor data, and also if we click on locate, it will take us to the Google Maps, and it will track the bus. Okay, so now we don't have any GPS inside the house though, so that's why it is giving a 00 location. So okay, now we will go to the other workings, and we will go to all the sensors and all the GSM boards. Okay, so now I will give all call input, and I will check whether it is giving message input or not. So for the alcohol detection I am using sanitizers, because in the sanitizer we have some alcohol percentage. So I am using this alcohol. So it is detected alcohol, and it is giving buzzer. So here we have got a message, I think. So we have got a message like alcohol detected, and it has sent a link also. So that link includes longitude and latitude. It is sending 00. So when we go outside we will get the longitude and latitude details. So it is sending alcohol consumed message. So now we will check with the smoke sensor. So this is a smoke sensor. Now we will give the input to this smoke sensor, and we will check whether it is giving in message or not. So it is detected smoke, and we will check whether it is sending message or not. So it has sent a message, smoke detected. So like this will works. And here we have another sensor. It is a infrared temperature sensor. It will check the temperature of the passengers without any contact with the passengers. This is for the COVID safety. So when the body temperature is more than 100 or 1 or 2 degrees, 1 or 2 Fahrenheit, then the passenger will be assisted with some precautionary things. Okay, so now we will check whether that body temperature measuring or not. So here we can check that T is nothing but temperature. Okay, it is measuring in Fahrenheit. So when I put my body uh, across this sensor, it will detect my body temperature. Okay, so my body temperature is 94 Fahrenheit. Okay, so here is S is nothing but smoke and alcohol, A is nothing but alcohol. Okay, this is all about the project and device. So thank you.